Sweden, Finland, and Balkan, September 20, 2023, where snowstorms and hail hit the region for the first time in decades.
La puta madre que me caigo. Mira, 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 mira.
They suspect the driver could be OPL, over the prescribed limit of alcohol.
The unprecedented storm that hit Bosnia and Herzegovina lasts for about 25 minutes, and according to current information, several buildings were damaged and several trees were felled in the area of the city. The storm hit parts of Krajina around 1 p.m. today, and carried by a strong wind, ice the size of a hen's egg fell in Bosanska Krupa. Judging by the photos published on the Facebook page PH Meteo and Snowfall, the hail was the size of tennis balls, and it covered the surface so that it looked as if snow had fallen. The office of the mayor of the city of Bosanska Krupa announced that the stream of ice like a flood overburdened the storm sewer network, causing the flooding of certain parts of the streets in the city. The city headquarters of civil protection engaged all available material and human resources that are currently working on repairing the damage. In Sweden, the first snow of the season fell in the northernmost part of Sweden. SMHI then issued an orange warning for wind in combination with snowfall. Orange warning is the second most serious warning. On Wednesday, the snow depth in Kiruna is 38 centimeters.
I don't have the right shoes.
Until Wednesday afternoon, 10 until 20 centimeters of fresh snow is expected, locally 30 centimeters, in combination with a fresh northeasterly wind. If you look at when the first snow usually comes in northern Northern, it is quite early. The first snow cover usually comes somewhere in the second half of September, September 16 until 30.
Släden är beredd om jag inte kommer iväg med bilen.
The heavy snowfall has caused major problems in the city. Public transport is cancelled due to the difficult road conditions, Kiruna municipality writes on its website. The school shuttles in Kiruna and Jukkasjärvi are cancelled. Garbage collection is also cancelled. Be careful if you go out on the roads. If you have the opportunity, stay at home if you haven't changed to winter tires, write the municipality of Kiruna. The cold temperatures in northern Norrland will also continue in Thursday.
Kom igen då, kom igen! More passion, more feeling, more passion. Gasa, gasa, tryck ner.
The greatest snow depth during Wednesday morning was reported from Kiruna with 38 centimeters, according to SMHI. The city's previous September snow depth record was set on September 20, 1932.
Och ja, ingen i Kiruna fattar det här med liksom att ha på vinter.
Also from Karesuando, a record is reported with a snow depth of 15 centimeters to be compared with the previous highest record of 7 centimeters in 1948. Unplowed streets have caused problems in Kiruna. The heavy snowfall in combination with summer tires on distribution trucks has also led to most of the newspaper distribution in Mount Fulton not being delivered during the night. In southern Sweden, however, the snow is far away. In Skåne, it is expected to be up to 25 degrees warm later in the week. The Swedish September record for snow depth is 62 centimeters in Socho in Jämtland on September 28, 1954.
Ukrainian people. Thank you so much, people of Bogan Kommuna. You are awesome.
In Finland, an autumn storm called Varpu brought strong winds and heavy rain to many parts of the Finland since last night and also first snow in Lapland. The Finnish Meteorological Institute announced that this morning the wind gusts exceed 125 km per hour in some southern and eastern areas of the country. Nearly 44,000 households were left without electricity due to the storm, mostly in eastern Finland. Emergency service in the south and east of the country received numerous reports of fallen trees, some of which destroyed power lines. In the capital region, emergency service received dozens of calls due to the bad weather. Meanwhile, the first snow of the season has arrived in the north of the country in Lapland. The first snowfall, a major event in the Finnish weather calendar, is official when at least 1 centimeter of snow is observed at 9 a.m. This morning, more than had fallen in some parts of Finnish Lapland, 20 centimeters of snow, a large amount.
Ja, det är bra.